This is a highly technical topic typically relevant to financial professionals or very advanced investors establishing their own firm. For a general audience, we'll reframe it as understanding how Schwab operates as a custodian. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. When you buy an ETF at Schwab, they act as the custodian, holding the security in your account and handling all the back-office clearing and settlement, the process of transferring ownership and money after a trade. For the average investor, this is invisible. You just see the ETF appear in your account. Schwab's scale and efficiency in this area help keep costs low for you. My crucial pro tip: stick with ETFs that trade with high liquidity. While Schwab's infrastructure is robust, you can still encounter wide spreads or difficulty trading very obscure, low-volume ETFs. For the smoothest experience, focus on ETFs with high average daily trading volume. Trust the behind-the-scenes machinery while you focus on your investment decisions. Do you consider trading volume when you choose an ETF? For more guides on the mechanics of investing, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you soon.